born to be free.
Good morning, everybody. How are you doing today? What is up, YouTube? Man, today's price action is kind of wacky here. Man, it's kind of crazy, guys. It is kind of crazy. I'm sorry for the widescreen layout today. Today looks like we're gonna turn into a little bit more of a scalping session here because things are going a little bit crazy. So I'm not gonna be screaming today. I'm not gonna be, you know, singing and dancing and whatever. Let's try to turn this into a scalp session. And this, guys, is basically what my VIP members get whenever we come into a zone. So we are very much so right now in a zone. Good morning, everybody. I'm not gonna have the chat up. Not gonna have the chat up as much as I normally do. I'm kind of just gonna lock in here. So no screaming today. It's gonna be a little bit different. BTC is pumping. And you know, now you guys are really going to get to kind of pick my brain and what we see when we're in a short zone. So we are absolutely in a short zone here on Bitcoin. We are absolutely printing. These are for sure vector candles. We are in a 10-minute order block above an SFP. Yes, we can come and take the high, absolutely. And the way that things are looking right now, I mean, market Cipher is not looking too hot for the shorts, to be completely honest with you. It's not looking great. And not only that, but we can see at the highs here, we actually have short traders are getting trapped up here, even more so than normal. So that's interesting. Guys, good morning. How is everybody today? How was Mr. Bull? Mr. Bull? Well, I did get a small baby position at the low. A little bit baby small position, but nothing crazy. I actually wanted a little bit lower. So we shorted yesterday. Guys, we shorted yesterday. Can I move this thing up? Let me see if I can move this thing up. Okay, this is going to be our scene today. It's going to be a different stream, guys. It's going to be a different stream. This is going to be more like a VIP stream where I'm not screaming at you guys all day. All right, we're about to take the high again. Okay, so number one rule is the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. Obviously, at the 2-minute time frame, like, this is disgusting. There are absolutely no shorts here. For me, from what it looks like, we are absolutely going to come and take the high. Let's move EXO to the side for a little bit. This order block was the idea to short, right? We did have a short idea here. Waited patiently for it. However, right now, I mean, look at the money flow on the 3-minute. Like, that is disgusting. So I absolutely do think we're going to come and take the high here. Absolutely do. Which, hey, works out for me because the higher we go, the harder I will short. This next push up, if we take the high, is so freaking bearish, in my opinion. So we'll see, man. We'll see what goes on. Let me see who's here. Let me see. To all the people waiting, hit the like button. Yeah, guys, good morning. Oh, let me get my my chat up here. Guys, how was everybody's weekend? Was it all good? Oh, I can't even get the chat up. My my OBS is bugging. Sorry, guys. I can't get you up on the screen here. Can't get you up on my face. You're an OG. You hate Jonah Hill now. Censor the guy from the intro. Wait, why do you hate Jonah Hill? You bought a treadmill? Let's go. You here to blow your account with Geo. That's long to top. Not gonna lie, you've been listening to Blood on Demon like 3 times a day since we talked about it back on the Boogie Train, man. No cap, you sing songs. Things are looking hella bullish. Yeah, I mean, right now, absolutely they are. Absolutely. 100%. I would be surprised at this point if we don't come and take the high. We're going to remove our short position because we're not in it. And we also know that we are in a short zone, so I don't need that there. This is the last order block within the range, which is relatively close to the high. And money flow, like, look at how thick money flow is. So I absolutely don't think that that we will be stopping anytime soon. Daily and 4-hour forming a buy signal, 12-hour buy signal going hella with money flow, 12-minute crossing money flow. I'll tell you this, the 12-hour looks good and the daily is perfectly primed for another divergence, right? We could get this. Which actually in my VIP section yesterday in my Discord, before this pump happened, I said, hey, this would be sick to get. And then this would be a significant top. Why are we bearish if we break the high? The reason I'm bearish if we break the high is because we're going to be putting in another. Well, I mean, it depends. It's too early to tell. Remember, guys, I play things range by range. But if we come up and we tap one of my higher levels up here, like we have a nice 1-hour order block up here. We have a nice daily order block around 57K. And I've been preaching all week, or not even all week, for a while now, how badly I want 57K. Yeah, we could blast through 54K. We absolutely could. I want 57K. Like, I want it. But if we come up here and we get another divergence, like, guys, it's not, the move can't go on forever. Can't go on forever. And that's just reality. If you don't like it, then I don't know what to tell you. But that is literally the reality. You guys, I mean, everybody should be able to at least acknowledge that it can't go up forever. Now, I am long. I'm in a little baby position here. Nothing crazy. And I am looking at short, but I'm not seeing what I want to see right now with the shorts. So this is not going to be a normal stream, guys. We got the chill music and I'm locking in. If we can come up, take the high, and tap this 1 hour order block, of course I will look to short. So right now, we know the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. So the best case scenario would be for us to consolidate here, do nothing, while we get red dot, green dot, whatever. While this starts coming down, money starts coming down, and then we get one last push up, and then here's our short. That would be the best case scenario right now on the 2-minute time frame. But aside from that, I mean, money flow is like, the 2-minute money flow looks gross. You might get a little scalp here, but it'll probably just be a little scalp. What's a great indicator for trading view to show VWAP? Just VWAP. Yo, bro. Just stopping in to say hi. What's up, brother? How are you? Your Lambo is going to be lime green. Let's go, man. Let's go. If you remember correctly, he was expressing things he didn't want his girl to do, like surfing in thongs with other men. Oh, wow. This 4-hour candle closing above value area high says we go up. Yeah, I'm not saying that we're going to go down right now. That's not what I'm saying at all. I could get the treadmill. I should get the treadmill. Let me get the treadmill out. Yeah, no, I'm not saying that we're going to go down right now. Not at all. I'm actually saying we're very likely to take the high here. However, something that you guys, not you guys, well, I mean, maybe you, I don't know. Something that you guys don't seem to understand is that I'm a scalper. So when I say, oh, I think it's going to go down, I think it's going to go up, whatever. I don't like, you know, I could be in and out of a trade in like 30 seconds. So I'm going to take you guys into my mindset right now, into my perspective. And, you know, maybe people will finally shut the fuck up about me when I say, yo, I'm looking to short, I'm looking along, whatever. Like if I'm in a range, I'm trading the range. This is a short zone, so. Damn right, Gio's the captain. We need, homie. It's game time. Looking to sell some of your position. I'll tell you this, bro. Like, look, we could keep going higher, and I say it every day. I say it every single day. We could keep going high, and I'm praying for 57K. You know, I'm praying for 57K, but, you know, is it worth holding on to your Bitcoin to catch that last 5K? Or is it kind of potentially scary knowing that this daily time frame, eventually, you know, in a couple days, maybe like Thursday or something, could give us another bearish divergence? I hope it goes higher. The higher it goes, the harder I'll short it. Like, you know, but I'm not swing shorting. That's what people don't understand. And like YouTube lately has been toxic AF. And so last week I had a stream. Did not have a lot of people in the stream in the slightest. In the slightest, it did not have a lot of people in the stream, and I loved it. It was way nicer than when there's way too many people in here. I kind of liked it being smaller, so I don't know. I got to reevaluate how often I want to stream and what I want to do or whatever. Cody says, meh, we'll short here. I don't know about that, bro. I don't know. Honestly, like, I'm not saying that it's a bad idea. I'm not saying it's a good idea. I'm saying I don't know. Because this thing can really squeeze up. Really can squeeze up here. You're right. We're in a 3-day trade. Yeah, I mean, so this looks very bottom of the week-ish. I just wanted to come and tap this order block. Like, we were bullish down here. I was ready to long. I just wanted to come and tap this order block, but we didn't get it. And then I even updated my VIP members in the Discord saying, yo, I kind of want to like come down one more time. Like the structure wasn't really in our favor. Hey, that is the game. No, bro, I'm not chilling. Like, don't even worry. I'm not even like sweating over the hate. Man, I've gotten over that. I've gotten over the hate. Like, it's just, I like the more intimate streams, I guess, is what I mean to say. You know? No, Geo, 57K is chump change overall to the downside risk. We are exaggerating price action. We've got 3 points of, yeah, bro. I agree that the time is coming. I absolutely, guys, like, it can't, listen, whether it goes to 100K before it pulls back, it can't go up forever. Small streams are quality. Yo, I like it when it's nice and small. You know, I love it when it's I'm telling you, like, last week I had a stream where it wasn't so much noise, you know? Like, don't get me wrong. I'm not playing a persona. Like, this is me. When I come up and I'm singing and I'm dancing and I'm screaming, like, that's how I am in real life. But when it's more intimate, it's kind of more like lax and it's chill. And like, I don't know. Crypto's fucked, man. Crypto's so like, everyone's hiding behind a profile picture and bullshit. Like, I like talking to people. I like the Discord streams because we're talking. I get to know who you are. I get to, like, there's a person behind this profile picture. Anyways, I'm ranting, but okay, let's see what's going on right now. So, I mean, hey, whoever's new here, welcome. My name is Gio. Every single day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. And today, like, look at how thick this money flow is. Today, you guys are going to get a chance to pick my brain a little bit, whether that's for the good or for the bad. Because because this is how my Discord live streams kind of are. You know? So we'll see what happens here. But the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. And I don't know about you guys. You might get a quick scalp, but I am not shorting when money flows up at 70. No way. No way at all. I am not shorting. Not at all. Even longs are still coming in right now. Longs are coming in. 1.2 million longs right now. Coming in. Shorts are closing. 2.3. Longs are opening. Shorts are closing. Shorts are getting absolutely wrecked. We need a good deviation outside of a range to short. You don't short uptrends due to your lack of experience. Only longs after deviations. Yeah, I mean, there's many ways to do it. You know, there's many ways. The thing that people don't get, like, I could short right now, for example, and then post, oh, I shorted, and then tomorrow price is at 100K, and they're like, how's your short? And I'm like, what do you mean, how's my short? I shorted from here and I got out here. Like, what are you talking about? But yeah, man, if you don't know what you're doing, like, it's obviously better to I don't want to say, like, play with the trend, like the trend is your friend and all that garbage, but all right, to me, this looks like a 12-hour third wave up. We all know it's 3 drives and then a bull trap liquidity. Yeah, man, maybe. Gio loves small ones. Women tell me they like it small. What did I say? I don't even remember what I said. Did I say something about small? Like, oh, I like it small. Like, I like small streams. Is that what I said? Anyways, guys, listen, I don't know how many people are here. How many people? We got 200 people here. We got 62 likes. Guys, listen, normally I'm loud AF. Okay, normally I'm loud AF. Normally I'm screaming. I'm out here yelling at you, but hey, we're pumping and I'm trying to make some money today, so I'm locking in. So we're going to chill right now. It's going to be more of a chill stream. Let me know if you guys like this kind of stream. And this is going to be like a scalp stream. I'm going to change the name later. The trend is your friend until the end. Yeah. I mean, I feel like there's a less, like, nerdy way to say that, though. Like, the trend is your friend. Do you have friends? Like, what is that? You must be the only one front running an ETH short based on the 4 to 7 hour money flow. Well, my friend, this is what I'll tell you. Like, look, this is going to be, if we take the high here, we're going to have such a big bearish divergence on Bitcoin on the 4 hour money flow that it is such a big bear div that the money flow is actually in the red. You know, so I shorted ETH yesterday and I closed it. I closed it down here like $100 ago. I closed it. I did not long it, but I would say ETH looks pretty decent right now on the 4 hour. I wouldn't say that it's time to short the 4 hour money flow on ETH. Same with the 6 hour. Like, we know that these things we've been ignoring these lately, right? We know we've been ignoring things lately, but the 4, I mean, we'll see, guys. We'll see. We're gonna just play it level by level, and then when we see the entry, we're gonna take the entry. And look, whether I get stopped out another 10 times every time, man, this has just been the narrative. Is as soon as I short, I take profit, I get stopped out of the short. That's what happens every time. So if I gotta take if I gotta take a couple more shorts, get stopped out a couple more times to hit my 10K trade. I've never had a 5-digit trade, guys, ever, and I want it. So if I gotta do that, then I'll do that. No problem. Keep it chill and lock in. Yeah, man. Like, let's make some money, bro. Gio's locked the fuck in today. Yeah, man. Love it. Dump it. Chill. Yes. Friends. No idea. Chill is the way to nirvana. Like, don't get me wrong. Again, I'm all fun and whatever, but now, right now, this is business right now. Like, we got to make a fucking bag right now. You called 50.9 moving averages 1 hour showing bullish formation. Yeah, so Ben, yesterday, I actually drew exactly what I wanted to see in terms of getting our hidden bull divs, and they played out. But I just wanted a little bit lower. A little bit lower. So I'm in a long, but I'm in a baby position, you know? The trend is your friend until she leaves you for the guy shorting in a sheer on. Yeah, let's get it. All right, yeah, we're about to take the high. This order block is dunzo. Don't need it. This SFP is dunzo. New high. Wow, look at that. That's crazy. All right, I'm going to get my finger ready here. Guys, I advise you to not short with me because you're going to get it way delayed. I'm not shorting right now. And I'm likely not going to tell you when I'm going to short because, like I said, you're going to get the delay 45 seconds later. And by the time I hit the button, you might, or by the time you hear it, I might already be out. So we'll see what happens here, though. Let's take a look at XO. Oof, a lot of longs coming in up here. A lot of longs. A shit ton of longs. We just tapped this 1 hour order block while getting a bunch of longs up here. We got a little bit more liquid. We got liquidations above us now. People shorted. They're going to come for that. They're going to come and hit this. Let's see what happens here. We're in the 1 hour order block. This is a crazy move. This is insanity. Bitcoin is just ripping it here. Bitcoin is absolutely ripping it. So if we don't stop at this order block, let's try to see where we can, where could we stop at, really? Because we got some order blocks above us. Right, 55.8. I mean, this is the one. This is the short zone, guys. Like, this is the giga short zone. I've been saying it for quite some time here. Maybe we get up there today. I don't know. Man, it sucks that my title is prepare for volatility, and then it's prepare for volatility, and then the volatility happened before I even came on stream. But hey, I guess everything happens for a reason, and now you guys get to see me lock in. For the ones that are not in the Discord. Okay, so we're in the 1 hour order block. Money flows against us, guys. There's two ways to enter. There is the aggressive way to enter, and there is the passive way to enter. Aggressive way is by using market cipher and trying to front run things. Okay, that's the more like prediction side of it. The more aggressive side of it, or sorry, the more passive way is waiting for structure to be on your side so that it's a more safe play. And then of course we will still use market cipher for an entry. But we'll still use market cipher for an entry. But you know, you're just aware. You're when structure's on your side, it's a little bit better. And when we're breaking macro highs like this, I mean, okay, I just shorted now. 20% in profit, 50% of it out. Stop loss at entry. You know, basically because we're in the order block, we have a significant wave on the 1 minute time frame here, and it's risky as shit. Like if it went against me, like I'm right now short from 53469. So just knowing that we could get a potential very fast move to the downside, even though money flow is thick, whatever, you know, just knowing that it is, as soon as if it goes against you for 1 second, like I get out. But now we're chilling, half of it out. Stop is at the entry. Whatever happens now happens. And I mean, it's not that, I don't want to say it's not that hard. It is that hard. But we'll see right now. We'll see. We got a lot of sells coming in here. A lot of sells. What are my net longs doing? Net longs are closing. Longs are taking profit. Shorts are opening up here. We could continue to squeeze the shorts. We absolutely can continue. Sorry guys, I don't have the chat open. Sorry guys, sorry. Let's open up the chat here. Lambo short, Giron long, short the farm. Yep, the delay can wreck you. Yeah, man. You and Kenny long the breakout. GG's, my friend. Good luck. Hope it works out. Shouts out to Jabs. Unlimited amount of vectors that can be claimed from this pump. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't say unlimited, but yeah, there are vectors that can be claimed for sure. If you mean to the downside or from the upside, millions in shorts liquidated. Yes, yes. A lot of people had their stop above that high. A lot of people are super bearish, myself included. Myself included. Such a risky trade. Yeah, man. That, like, sometimes I just get in real quick and sometimes I get in quick and I get out quick. Like, I'm watching it, you know. If it goes against me, I'm out. Like, my finger's on the flash close button and I'm peacing out. If it goes even, you know, 1% in drawdown, whatever. We're in a short zone, so I'm aware that we could get. This is the area. This is exactly the area where you could get a $300, $400, $500, $600, $1,000 move to the downside real fast. Is exactly here. You know, so I'm also hedged long, so it's fine. There's gonna be a day where the shorts pay out more than the longs do, and it's gonna happen quick. So that's kind of the logic. Sometimes I don't listen to my own rules and I take a little bit of riskier trades. But hey, we're all human after all. Gio, can I go live on Discord? No, I'm gonna stay on YouTube. I know the delay sucks, but like, you shouldn't be trying to copy trade me right now anyway. There's no trade here anyway. Like, there's no trade. Is this the ETF? All the old people want it? Nah, man. Listen, I stand by this, okay? If you come to the weekly time frame and you check volume, like, look at volume, traditional volume on the weekly. Look at the bull market volume and then look at the volume here. Like, even with the ETFs, it hasn't really done much relative to the bull market. So in my opinion, no, this is not. I mean, there's the whole narrative is here and the whole sentiment is super bullish and, you know, this, that, and the other. But is this really ETF stuff? Like, do you think that the geezers are out here rushing to the bank to buy Bitcoin? Like, probably not. And whoever, like the young ones, like, we were already trading Bitcoin. You know, like, who is the ETF for? You got to ask yourself. Who is it really for? All right, let's take a look at what's going on here. All right, we're getting a little bit of a dump. Little baby dump right now. Gio, if that daily green dot confirms, could it bring us higher? Yeah, I mean, technically can. But we remember, like, when you see a dot, guys, I teach this. Listen, if you're new here, I don't know how many people are in here. I don't have my normal thing up right now. But if you're new here, guys, when you see a green dot, like, this dot is already priced in. This dot is a result of this move that we already had. So yes, momentum could continue higher. Absolutely. I'm not suggesting that it can't. I'm not suggesting that we're not going to come higher. We can't come higher, whatever. We're in the next short zone. We're in the next short trade that I had set up for my VIP members. Right? So it's possible that it plays out. It's too early to tell. I don't like what I'm seeing on Market Cipher for me to say, well, we are in a short zone. We're definitely not in a long zone, Jabs. But I'll say this, man, like, you know, when you've been staring at Market Cipher for 3 years, you know, you learn a thing or two about how this indicator works. And 1,000,000%, this green dot is a result of the move that already happened. The dots are a lagging indicator. Doesn't mean we can't continue higher. But this dot currently is already priced in. Because this dot wasn't here yesterday. And now it's here after we've already pumped 5% or whatever percent this is. 5% up, right? So just remember that. Usually we break out a range, we stay there. Vectors are left behind. They will take them at the giga short. Yeah, that is true, right? So when we're analyzing our vector candles, okay? Like right now, this is not a breakout, okay? This is not a breakout. Actually, if anything, like I said, guys, this looks more bearish than bullish to me. Okay, this looks way more bearish than bullish. Why does it look bearish? Whether or not it plays out, look, this thing has looked bearish the whole way. So I'm not going to sit here and say it's going to go down, don't long. No. I play every range, but on the 4 hour, let's be objective, okay? Let's not be annoying. Let's be objective. We have, what do we have? If you're counting your Wyckoff, we have our 1 tap, we have our 2 tap, we have our 3 tap, okay? That's number 1. Number 2, we're in a 1 hour order block, which can absolutely give us a move down. Number 3, everybody and their mother's waiting for 55K, 57K. When people are waiting for a number, they usually don't tap it. I'm not saying that that's what you trade based off of, but I'm just saying, okay? On the 4 hour time frame right now, no matter what, the next dot is going to be a red dot, no matter what, okay? You cannot have a green dot, 2 green dots in a row. So if the next dot is going to be a red dot, then we're going to have a continued divergence. Not only are we going to have continued divergences over time, but you're also going to have money flow divergences over time. While coming up to resistance, while potentially giving, we could SFP this, right? It's still too early. We're still way too early. Way too early, right? So we're approaching this idea of this short zone from, look at this. Like, this doesn't look bullish, and I don't care. Man, listen, like, you guys can say whatever you want. But let's be objective, okay? Let's not be liberals. Let's live in reality. Let's call it what it is. Nothing can go up forever. We are in a short zone. We're potentially SFPing the high. Doesn't mean we can't go higher. But the next dot's going to be a red dot. And even if we stay going up for the next 2 weeks, money flow does not have enough time to come this high, okay? Money flow it is literally impossible by the time the next red dot hits for money flow to be at 45 on the 4 hour time frame. So no matter what, your next dot is going to be a divergence, no matter what. And this is a spike wave. And we have vector candles that we can recover. And we know that when we have range-based vectors, they get recovered more often than not. And so if we SFP and we come back in the range, you think that they're not going to come and take all this money back? Come on, we got to live in reality a little bit. Little bit here. So we'll see what happens. Am I going to make a tutorial on exo charts? Yeah, so I started learning exo charts recently. And once I get a little bit more comfortable with it, I'm going to play around with it for like another month. And then I'm going to do a boot camp on it. Bro, we will pump out until midweek reversal. Stop trying to short it. Bro, I am a scalper. Jason's range was 54K for short. Cool. My order block here is almost at 54K. Cool. But I'm not gonna not short it. Like, why would I not short it if I can get a quick scalp off of it? And again, just because I'm saying the 4 hours is gonna give us a bearish divergence, how long is 4 hours, guys? Like, this could take 3 days to play out. We could go up for the next 3 days, and we probably will. Right? But this is how you need to approach your trading. You need to be objective. You cannot be up only. Liberals do that. Let them live in that delusional world. You started laddering in a small short position, adding a little more at 54.2. Hey man, just know that this thing could squeeze up very fast to like 57K. And again, I'm gonna say this again. I'm gonna reiterate it. This is not like every other stream that I've done. I want 57K. I hope we get there. The higher we go, the harder I'll short. I have no problem. No problem doing that. We know a correction is coming. We know. Eventually, the correction is coming. My man said, let's not be liberals. Yeah, let's not be liberals, guys. Let's live in reality. Let's play things both ways. Let's not just say up only, up only. You sound foolish. Let's not, if I say I went short and then the next day we're up 5%, say, Gio, how's your short doing? Bro, I got out of the short. Why don't you worry about your own positions? Yes, I am on a treadmill. Follow the trend until the end, my friend. So let's see what happens here. So I guess market maker coming back for the liquidity in the 20K region is out of the question now. Why do you say that, bro? Why do you think it's out of the question? I love you too, G Money. I don't think it's out of the question at all. Let me bring your attention to this here. I don't know if this is going to work out. Let me just say. Okay, I don't know if this is going to work out. But let me bring your attention to something I drew. Look, I'm on Bitstamp and I'm on the 4-hour time frame. I drew this. Look. Bull market begins between 19 and 22K. I made this projection on November the 13th, 2023, okay, on this stream. And I have the link and I posted it on my Twitter. Okay? So, okay, sure. Maybe I was off by the top a little bit. Fine. I'm not, whatever. But this is what I drew. So why are these, why is this vector any different than this vector up here that we just came and tapped into? Or any different than this vector? Why is it any different? We can absolutely come and recover those vectors. And by the way, whoever says don't short, whatever. I mean, I shorted. Don't hate me. Don't hate me, little liberal, but I shorted. $600 ago. Don't hate me, little boy. Why did I short? Because we're in a short zone. And I know that these are the moves that could give me a $600 move to the downside relatively quickly. Just saying. Just saying. So we're going to TP. We're going to put the stop at the entry. There was 2 shorts right now on stream for you in front of your face. Well, not in front of your face because I don't want you guys to copy it. It's a good example. Like, you can't short now. Why not get in and get out real quick? Why not? 160 centimeters tall. I don't know how tall I am actually in thing. No, I didn't say that I shorted on stream. I can't tell you on YouTube because people will... There's a delay on YouTube and you guys will copy it. And then, like, by the way, like, for example, if I'm like, yo, I shorted, then you're going to see it here and then you're going to short here. But I'm already out here. Good morning, Crypto Girly. I had an amazing weekend. You're a bear. I'm not, I mean, I'm a human, but... How are you? I hope you're well. But off to a beach volley semifinal here in South Africa. Damn, good luck, bro. That's sick. Shouts out to South Africa. That's amazing. That's pretty cool. I love that I reached those kind of audiences. Guys, listen, I don't know how many people are in here, and I'm not screaming like I always am. We got 254 people in here. We got 98 likes. I have 4 boot camps. I will absolutely do giveaways for my boot camps. Make sure to like button. Every 100 likes, I give away a boot camp. And if you don't know, I have 4 boot camps. One is market structure, key zones and building the narrative, order blocks, liquidity, market cipher, B, and time frames. And each one of them are over 3 hours. And they teach you how I find these order blocks. They teach you how to read market cipher. They teach you a bunch of things. So make sure you hit the like button so we can do some giveaways for you. And by the way, if this is your first time here, drop me a hamburger emoji. Let me know if this is your first time here. Because this is a different stream than I usually do. I'm usually loud. Bitcoin can never go below 50K again. Sorry, dude. It's not possible. I don't know if you're being like, if you're joking or you're being real about that. He's got the back hair of a bear. That is all. Actually, I do laser. Thanks for asking. You are 159 centimeters tall. Exactly. I should add that to my disclaimer. Which, by the way, guys, all content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Gio's an incompetent 5'2 3/4 / 159.385 centimeter tall wannabe singer and definitely not a financial advisor. Crypto's a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real. And Jason Casper is the CEO of Treadmills. CEO of Treadmills. I pay him royalties, by the way, in case you didn't know. I pay him royalties for every step that I take. Every step I take. Oh, there's the Geo that we all know. Every move I make. Dude, I want in on the boot camp. Dude, hit the like button, bruv. Hit the like button, bruv. Y'all with, man, I know. Shouts out to Jabs' dad. Shouts out to Ox the dog. Shouts out to Dak. Shouts out to Ray Lafo. So is it possible to short again? It is possible to short again. But I think that the short is, it's not now. It's not now. These are like gamble shorts, guys. Quick, like, you know, a couple $100 and I'm out. It's nothing like, I'm not holding this to 20K. Maybe I am. I don't know. We'll see. Every step I take. I'll tell you this. We're going to be objective. People have no idea Bitcoin can drop 30 to 40% in a week. Bro, Bitcoin can drop 30 to 40% in a day. In a day. So we'll be objective, right? The thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. We know this. 2-minute money flow is thick AF. When you got, I mean, you should not be shorting when you're way up here in terms of money flow. Okay. So, you know, even if we fart around here, even if we just start to do this for a little bit, we can probably expect another divergence here on the 3 minutes. So we could just, even if we do this, right? If we get our marker tool here, right? We get a couple or not even divs, just a couple waves, just a bunch of nothing. We could get a divergence that ends up like this far away, like 3 hours, 4 hours away, where we get something like that. One more divergence and then down. Because the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. Guys, my name is Gio, and every day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. Pat Murphy, I'm so glad you're joking, bro. You don't get diamonds as big as bricks. Bitcoin to 60K. There I am singing again. I like already. I can't like anybody. Wait, what? I like already. I can't like anybody anymore. Somebody like for me. Hi, Gio. Any plans to do a leap year sale? You know what? I didn't have any plans, but I will do a plan. I will do. If you buy it on the 29th, I'll do a deal. I will do a deal. You're waiting for the Giga short for weeks. Hope this is it. If I'll tell you this is not the Giga short. Okay. It could be the high. This could be the high, but that doesn't mean that this is the Giga short. The Giga short comes after structure breaks in our favor. So, and really daily structure. Like the Giga short could happen in like May, which by the way, guys, if we continue going up, then I mean, I think May is going to be a bloodbath. The higher we go, the worse it gets. I'm telling you that. Shouts out to Friends. First time here from South Africa. Friends, this is not how my normal streams go. I'm usually a lot louder. Same height though. But we're locking in today, man. We're locking in. I'm never gonna short again. Guilty feet ain't got no rhythm. I'm never gonna short again. Guilty feet, I've got no rhythm. Going long on Ada. Shouts out to Jabs' dad. I watched it drop from here to 30K in 2 weeks a few years ago. Yeah, I mean, that's why we're shorting here, right? Gio, why are you shorting? The money flow. Gio, we have a daily green dot. Higher we go, harder we fall. Absolutely. Higher we go, harder we fall. People don't understand. ETH is in macro resistance. ETH is probably... So look. Watch this. Watch this, my friendos. Watch and learn. Ethereum. I just spat all over you. I'm sorry. Ethereum. We got... I don't know what this is. Oh, this is a golden pocket. Okay, cool. Watch this. Ready? So Ethereum is looking way more bullish than Bitcoin. I've been saying for a long time, Ethereum to 3K. Ethereum... I said it from like 1900, from like 2000. And I said it was going to happen quick. I said Ethereum was going to outperform Bitcoin. Whatever. I'm not here to brag. Doesn't matter. What do we see, though? Ethereum is in its 12-hour order block, but this order block is a little bit sexier. Why? Because we have a naked daily point of control up here. Okay? Kind of confluence with our golden pocket up here as well. This yellow line is our golden pocket. Yeah, we could come higher. Yeah, we have a naked monthly point of control above us. But right now, for Ethereum, 3250 is going to be pretty significant resistance. And so, what do I teach you guys every day? When you're trading Bitcoin, you need to watch Ethereum. When you're trading Ethereum, you need to watch Bitcoin. They work in tandem. So, if we are potentially making the case that Bitcoin is going to come up to 55K, or even if it doesn't, right? Even if we just take another divergence, I'm looking to short anywhere up here. It doesn't need to hit the order block. It's better if it does, but I'm looking to short anywhere up here, and I'm already short. Scalp short. So, what does that mean? That means that now that we hit the order block, okay, fine. ETH is in an order block. Bitcoin is in an order block. Interesting. ETH is at what I'm going to call all-time high. Okay, you guys know it's not all-time high. Don't be weird. But I'm going to call it. ETH is at all-time high. Bitcoin is at all-time high. Look at how they're working in tandem. Interesting. So if Bitcoin decides to make a run up, Ethereum will probably make a run up for its next order block, which is a little bit like nicer looking than the one that it's currently in. How far away is that order block? 2%. How far away is Bitcoin away from this guy? 5%. Do you think that if Bitcoin pumps 5%, Ethereum's only going to pump 2? Probably not. So maybe Bitcoin continues to rejects from here, continues to go sideways, and then Ethereum decides to, like, Ethereum pulls back, and then Ethereum decides to make a run for this guy, and then perhaps that's the high, right? Because we all know objectively, remember, we're not liberals, objectively, Ethereum looks a hell of a lot better than Bitcoin does. Look at how nice Ethereum. If you tell me, oh, Gio, I want to long Ethereum, I would still tell you, yo, you got spike waves, you got money flow diverging, you know, it's probably not the best to long all-time highs. But if you tell me, oh, Gio, I want to long Bitcoin, like, let's be objective, guys. Let's be objective. Come on. We're getting such a big money flow divergence and such a big spike wave here on the next 4-hour red dot. Like, we gotta live in reality a little bit. Higher we go, harder we fall. Bafana. First time here. Shouts out to Marco. Welcome. Gio, any plans to start copy trading? No. I mean, like, Bybit is reaching out to me, but I don't know if I want to do it. I don't really know, to be honest. As of right now, no plans. I got too many things going on right now. I need like 2 months of like, let me just do my own thing. Like, I got to figure out my shit. Newbies don't know what gaps are. Yeah, we got a lot of gaps. What is my TP for the scalp? I already took profit, and my stop loss is at the entry. I actually took 75% profit already out. So, because we know, as I was saying, the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. Like, objectively, right now, nobody should be... I mean, it's more of a gamble short, but it's a high risk. It's a high risk. It's not a high risk. It's a high reward trade, because we know that we could get some significant move to the downside from here. So it's worth it, in my opinion. It's not really that high risk at all. Shoo, you're shorting the all-time high? Hell yeah. What do you mean? What's riskier, longing the high or shorting the high? Come on now. Come on now. Thanks for the TA. Got you, bro. Should you close your short, says Ben. I don't know, man. I just work here. I'm not closing mine. Mine's gonna get stopped out. If it's gonna do anything, it's gonna get stopped out at 53525. That is my stop loss. 53525 on Mexi. Can I explain auto margin? Yeah. Don't use it. Auto margin essentially is like changing. Okay, so when you're trading, there's such thing as cross, right? You could do cross margin or you can do isolated margin. Let's just say your account has $1,000 and you open up a trade with like $200, okay? If you are gonna get liquidated, when you turn on auto margin or cross margin, same thing, then it will actually add to your margin so that you don't get liquidated. So remember, you have $1,000 in your account, you shorted $200 in your margin. Let's just say you're about to get liquidated, it'll auto keep adding. So instead of you having 200 in the position now, it'll add 300, 400, 500. The reason we don't do that is because number one, you should never get liquidated and you should always have a stop loss, and you should always clearly have a clearly defined invalidation, which is where your stop loss goes. And number two, if for whatever reason some stupid shit happens where we get a $3,000 candle in 1 second, you don't get wrecked and blow your whole account. So you should never be on cross margin. And the exchanges are snakes because they start you off on cross margin. So you got to know what you're doing. Yearly high. Yeah. I like saying all-time high. It's better. It's more fun. We nailed the 707 fib as usual. We use it in crypto often on many time frames. I've never actually taken a look at the 707, but I do have an observation for some of you that I did not observe on my own. Honestly, I'm too lazy to show you. I'm sorry. How many likes do we have right now? We got 128 likes, 215 people. So I'm going to give away one boot camp right now. Not right now, but I'm going to give away one boot camp. If we can get to 200 likes, I'll give away 2 boot camps. And guys, let me know. To my OGs, let me know. Because you know, every day on stream, I come here and I start screaming and yelling and dancing. And I'm fun. And this is more of a chill, like I said, VIP stream. So let me know if you like this kind of chill vibe more. And this is exactly how we enter. It's exactly how we enter. It's exactly how we enter, like in the VIP Discord. You know, when we're in the Discord and I'm at a zone and I'm like, yo, this is how I want it to be. This is how I don't want it to be. This, that, and the other. This is how it's done. By the way, guys, I have a Discord, in case you're wondering, a free Discord that you can join. And I have a VIP section as well, where I give you guys my levels, I give you guys my updates, I give you guys my trade setups, etc. And we are currently in one of my short setups here that I gave many days in advance. Many days in advance. So let's see what happens. What's my normal order of operations for timing these shorts and extreme pumps? Okay, Sprex, I'm gonna give you some fire here, okay? And I need you to try to follow along, because this is what the boot camp is essentially about. Okay, remember, I got 4 boot camps, and I say it all the time. The Market Cipher V and Time Frames boot camp is a mind fuck. If you don't take my word for it, go into the Discord. I have a whole testimonial section. Ask somebody. Okay, ask somebody that's taken it. They'll be able to answer that a little bit better. Not a little bit better, but a little less biased, we'll say. So your order, we already know the order of operations, by the way, created by me. All right, just saying. So if you ever talk about the order of operations, be sure to pay me royalties. We already know your order of operations with Market Cipher B is VWAP, right? VWAP is leading for your momentum waves. Your momentum waves is leading for your money flow. This we already know. Okay? This we already know. Fine. We know that money flow is king. We know that money flow is the hardest to predict because it happens third in our order of operations. Now, here's the part where it becomes a mind fuck for you. The reason that this works is because in your oscillator here, you have 3 different oscillators, right? Your VWAP moves this fast, your momentum waves move this fast, and then your money flow moves this fast. This is why I was able to tell you that no matter what happens on the next 4-hour red dot, we're going to have a money flow divergence. It is impossible, literally impossible for the money flow to play catch up in that much time. So we're going to have a divergence, okay? There's going to be a short. Now, here's your money flow, okay? Now, while you're looking at, now you have to remember this, the speed of the oscillation, okay? For someone that may not understand what that means, an oscillator just goes up and down and they move at different speeds. That's why your VWAP is leading for your momentum weight, whatever, okay? Now, you need to remember that time is also an oscillator, okay? So your 1 minute moves like this, your 5 minute moves 5 times as slow, and your 15 minute moves 3 times as slow as that. Now, when you come on Market Cipher, what do we see? We have a bunch of oscillators, and we know that your VWAP moves faster than your momentum waves, and we know your momentum waves move faster than your money flow. But now you need to take like this 3 package here and remember it in the context of through the context of time frames, right? Because remember, your 1 minute moves 5 times as fast as your 5 minute. So that means your 1 minute VWAP moves 5 times as fast as your 5 minute VWAP. And so this is where you need to join me in the multiverse of Market Cipher and start to understand what is leading for what, right? I made a video saying that the daily time frame looks bearish, which it does. And if you don't think it does, not on structure, on Market Cipher, okay? On Market Cipher, the daily looks bearish. If you don't think so, you're just wrong. But anyway, fine. How do we know if this daily time frame, if this daily red dot, for example, is gonna print? Actually, I'll do it in forward time. Okay, we're gonna do it not in hindsight, in forward time now. And I'm about to give you guys literally the giga short, like literally right here. So copy paste this, put it in your iPhone notes, write the timestamp, because I'm about to tell you exactly what's going to happen. Like literally exactly what's gonna happen. For the next 2-3 days, perhaps, we're gonna continue our pump to the upside. For the next 2-3 days, perhaps, hopefully, we can make our way up to 57K. I want to. Okay? Now, if this green dot confirms, which is not confirmed yet, but if the green dot confirms, no matter what, the next dot is going to be a red dot. And if this next red dot prints here, we have yet another divergence with continued money flow coming down over time. Jet says it doesn't look bearish, Geo. It looks bearish as fuck. Yeah. Okay? So our goal, our giga short, is to try to front run this red dot. And by the way, Geo, you've been talking about giga shorts for 4 months. Yeah. Because this could have been the giga short. It didn't really give us a giga-ness to it. But this could have been the giga short. This could have been the giga short. This should have been the giga short. This could have been the giga short. Right? So it's all probabilities. And how many times did I say it? I've shorted the top. Like right now, I shorted the top. I shorted the top like 17,000 times. Whether or not they want to let it play out is a different story. But hear me out. Our goal is to try to front run this red dot. How do we know if this red dot is gonna play out? Well, remember, the dots are a lagging indicator. The dots are a lagging indicator. This green dot that we have on the daily is printed, or is printing now as a result of this move to the upside. We've already had it. And oh no, like You can't even dispute that. Look, go to yesterday. No green dot. No green dot. Today comes. We have a massive candle, and now we have the green dot. Like, if you came on the chart right now and you saw this green dot, we could continue the move to the upside. I'm not saying we we can't, but the dot itself is a lagging indicator. Okay, fine. So we need to try to front run this next red dot that comes right here. And how do we front run it? Well, we look at our order of operations with Market Cipher. We know that, for example, your lower term time frames are going to leak onto your higher term time frames. Okay. And so in 3 days or 4 days or Friday or 1 week or whenever this red dot may come, we are going to look lower, maybe on the 8 hour, maybe on the 4 hour, for divergences there. And we are going to look to front run those divergences. So I'm going to bring something to your attention right now. And whether it plays out or not, I'm not a magician. I don't know. But no matter what, right now on the next dot that we have on the 4 hour time frame is going to be a red dot, no matter what. And no matter what, the next dot we get is going to be a divergence. So why can't this 4 hour be the leading dot for this daily red dot that we could just get a green dot, red dot? It could just be like this. Or even worse, this green dot could just disappear because it's not printed yet. Right? Like, look how here we had a red dot, green dot. What if we get a green dot, red dot? That's how you do it. You clown, ha ha ha. Be careful, don't long, ha ha ha. Did I miss something? Ha ha. I don't know why that's funny. I long and I short all the time, bruv. You don't know how to read Market Cipher. Okay. So why are you listening to me then? Dump next, new moon will dump. COVID dump anniversary. Is it possible that money flow is getting back up? Yeah, it absolutely is possible that money flow is going to get back up, and it can, right? Like you don't just look at what's happening right now. You look at it over time. And so look, I'm gonna play the bullish scenario now, okay? Because that was the bearish scenario. The bullish scenario is we get a green dot, we get a red dot, whatever, and we form a whole nother wave cluster like this. And money flow may do this. We could come up in money flow, and then this whole cluster of money flow may diverge from this whole cluster of money flow. Also very possible. So again, it's just our job to identify what may happen, right? What may happen. But it does work like that, yeah. Yo, my girlfriend, appreciate that. I don't want to shout through your screen. I'm sorry. Being condescending is fun. Man, it's okay. Listen, look, I'm a 5'2" and 3/4 wannabe singer. Don't listen to me. I don't know anything. Why are you listening then? That's always the question, lol. If you're so dumb and they're so smart, why are they listening to me? Yeah. Bro, listen, long it then. What do you want me to say? I'm not saying don't long it. I'll long it. I'll play a range. Yo, I range trade, guys. I could right now pull a range right here. Here's your range. And I could just play this little range, and then whichever way it breaks, you know? I'm super okay with that. Don't matter to me. 1 hour just turned blue on. Yeah, that's another thing. So the 4 hour, look at this. The 4 hour vector. Oh, actually it was, I thought it was blue, but I guess now it's back up to green. But whenever we see a blue vector candle at the high, maybe that's sign for things slowing down, maybe. Right? All right, how many likes do we have? Let's do some giveaways here. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep on. Got me singing like na 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 every day. Yeah. Okay, we still have 145 likes. 145. Which alts did I buy? I did not buy any alts, and I'm not going to buy any alts until Bitcoin has like a 30% correction. Then I'll buy. And if that means that I buy higher than where we're at right now, then so be it. But I'm not going to buy when Bitcoin's at all-time highs. And I also don't really care, to be honest, because, man, when you, like, leverage trade, like, I don't have hundreds of thousands of dollars in altcoins. So, you know, I can, like, make way more money just trading. So I don't really care if shit pumps. I literally don't, doesn't matter to me. We should do a VIP meetup. Yeah, let's do Miami next month. I'm going. VIP meetup on the Tesla yacht. Dude, these people long only. Bro, Dice, that's exactly what they do, man. They long only. And they come and gun for you if you don't. And it's funny because in the whole bull market... So let me tell you exactly what happens, bro. I'm going to tell you exactly what happens, okay? So last cycle, we'll go on the weekly time frame. We'll make it very easy. Here's what happens. People get in, they long. They get wrecked. They long. They get wrecked. Long, wrecked. And when we are in the wrecked zones, okay, when they're here, or here, or here, all of a sudden they're like little mice. They're just in the corner and you can't hear a squeak from them. You know? All of a sudden. But then here, they come back and they make some noise again. Okay, man. Just saying. So yes, they do only long. Because they listen to, for example, BitBoy, who says only long. And, yeah. It's not a good look, man. It's not a good look. Tell you that. Tell you that. Chew, am I on steroids? Taking a look at you, kind of look jacked. No, I'm not on roids. I can't take roids, man. I'm 5'2", man. Dude, I take like 3 shots and I'm fucked up. Like, I definitely can't take roids. Buy Hex, Geo. The difference is Hex hasn't pumped yet. Man, maybe, bro. Maybe, but again, like, it's, in my opinion, it's risky right now. And maybe I'm wrong. And if I am, and you guys decide to buy Hex, or buy ADA, or buy Link, or buy VeChain, then cool, man. Cool. I want you guys to make money. Go ahead. I'm not gonna FOMO shit. I don't care. Oh, this wick is nasty. Yeah, it is looking pretty, it is looking pretty primed for a move to the upside. You know, maybe I will buy Hex. Maybe I will. It's looking decent. It's like a moon cult. Bro, that's exactly what it is. That is exactly what it is. And I'm telling you, like, it's like, you know, here they're loud, but they weren't loud here. You know what I mean? Like, why can't you make money on both directions? That's like the question here. Like, why are you so ignorant? And then not just that, bro, but they attack. Man, I say this every day. Not every day, but there's I say this all the time. Like, there's a reason why short money feels better than long money. And it's not because you're winning while others are losing. It's because the permabulls are like little mice in the corner. You know? AI coins are pumping hard. Yeah, I mean, that's interesting, Bitcoin Bear, because I've never actually taken a look at the AI coins, and I don't even know what the AI coins are, but I do imagine that if I was gonna drop some serious money, it would be on AI coins. The meetup should be somewhere close to everyone, like the coffee shop next to my house. It's funny. Roids, just eat right. Yo, Clay the Great, bro. I've actually been like on my meal plan like hard. So things are let's see. I think I posted it in the top strong body, strong mind. See, this is the shit that I love, man. Like, not even just the motivation. So look, this was me 4 weeks ago. Like a fat boy, disgusting. And I'm working on it, but this was me like last weekend or like 3 days ago. So I'm working on the belly, but I'm getting some size. I'm the best I've ever felt. But this is the shit that I love to see, man. Like, not even just about the progress and the motivating each other and everything else, but like, yo, there are people behind these screens. You know? Bro, you look sick. For 145? Damn. Nice. Kind of goals here. This is the shit I love to see, man. Like, look, share your shit with us, man. Like, crypto's so fucking weird. Like, why is everyone so protective of, like, nobody cares about you? Like, not in that way, but like why is everyone hiding behind weird profile pictures and cartoons and like, it's weird, man. It's weird. Like, be a human. Even though we're going. What in the world is this? I don't know what that is. Injective is about to fly. Injective protocol. I think I charted Injective recently. Pretty sure I did. I'm like Inception. I play with your brain. Okay, let's check Injective protocol. Short trade played out. Interesting. Oh, I guess I haven't checked this thing in a hot minute then. Guess it's been a hot minute here. Yeah, I mean, this looks pretty good as well. This is a nice SFP. I would say easily Injective is coming up to 40. I mean, that's kind of obvious, though. It seems as though. Although this wick is kind of ugly. Yeah, I would say it's looking pretty good. Man, everything is looking kind of pumpy, to be honest. Which is why I said, like, I mean, the title of this thing, which ended up kind of being a more chill stream, but I said, or I was saying, yo, okay, guys, it's time to start expecting volatility, whatever. Because it's also the end of the month, and this monthly candle is very important. This is a very important monthly candle. I am spitting all over the place. I'm sorry. If we close the monthly candle above 48253, which right now it's looking like we will, we have another bullish candle. And it's, I think, the third time in Bitcoin's history where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 monthly candles in a row. So that's kind of interesting. But let's take a look here. The last time we had 6 monthly candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 5. From that high of the 5th candle, not last time, the second last time, we had a 70% move to the downside. So Schlong, both directions, Superstore, I feel that. Regardless of long or short, you're taking the other side's money. Yes, you are. If you're talking about nasty weekly money flow, can you look at near? Should I stay or should I go? I mean, near looks good to come up and take these. Well, let's take a look here. Near is looking pretty good actually as well. Near, this is a really interesting one. This is a very interesting one. Yeah, near can move here. 3 days looking. Oh yeah, this is looking really good. Near is looking very good. It's probably, I mean, it's probably gonna come up and take this high at 4.62. What happens at that point, we'll see, because it will depend on Bitcoin. But at that point, you know, we'll have continued divergences, so we'll see what happens here. Certain places in the world, it is not safe for people to know your identity. This leads to keyword warrior syndrome. Yeah. Me and Alien Geo, why is everyone hiding behind a cartoon? You've got a cute profile picture. Not gonna lie, could do with less bunch of dudes taking topless flexing pics. You know what, Drew? Like, I hear you, but it's not about, like, it's not in like a weird way. It's like, yo, like look, I'm getting it. I want you guys to get it, you know? Like, let's fucking get it. I don't know. That's how I see it. It doesn't need to be weird. Guys, give me a sec. I'm gonna go get water. I'll be back. Joe, can I look at Caspita? So with Caspa, I don't remember when it was. I don't want to say this was the credit. I don't want to say it was from here. I think it was actually down here. February. What day is today? Oh, no, wait. That's not right. No. It was a while ago. Huh. Oh, okay. I lied. It was way over here. Way over here. Yeah, so like a month ago. I was saying that we can come and take these, but I thought we were here. Yeah, never mind what I'm saying on that. But yeah, so let's take a look at Caspa. I mean Caspa I haven't charted in quite a hot minute here as well. But let's see what's going on with Caspa. Let's see. This wick was gross, damn. Came in and SFP'd the daily low. Right off the bat, after we SFP'd the daily low, the target was up here. Well, let's take a look on Caspa. So Caspa, like Bitcoin, like everything else, right? I mean, obviously got its pump here. We got the vector candles. We have the red dot. We know that we can recover the vectors. Doesn't mean we're going to. It means that we absolutely can. Money flow is increasing. We need to be mindful of that. And we have an 85% move to the upside. If we're going to follow structure, which we are, obviously. Daily structure. Let's check daily structure. Daily structure is as follows. Up, down, SFP, and up. So technically, on the daily time frame, Caspa is allowed to come all the way down here. Is it going to? Probably not. But it technically can. So let's follow our 4-hour structure. Do we flip bearish or no? Not really. Not really. I would say that if Bitcoin continues its merrily way up to, you know, 55K or whatever, we could probably expect Caspa to come take the high again. And it would actually be better if it does take the high again, because right now your 4-hour low on Caspa, as it stands currently, without taking the high again, is this guy here. It's like all the way down here. Let's just say this, somewhere around here. So Caspa's looking pretty bullish. You know, we had the hidden divs at the lows. We got hidden divergences with the money flow here. Right? I would say it's easy that we're going to come up to this high, 17.65. Because this looks like very easy to come and grab. Not the divergence that we would want to see though, but it's okay because we have the hidden divergences. So we'll see. It really depends on Bitcoin. Really depends on what Bitcoin's going to do here. Because remember, Bitcoin's in macro resistance, whether you like it or not. Whether you want to hate me for living in reality or not. And so if Bitcoin rejects, then Caspa will as well. I will tell you this, that we are in a 45-minute order block with Caspa. And it actually respected it perfectly. Look at that. Hold on, I can't see anything here. Okay. Perfect respect off the top of that 45-minute order block. So if there's any place good to reject from, it's here. Confluence with Bitcoin being at the high as well. So we'll see. I think the only time I did that when I was on Bumble. Oh, the flexing in the thing. Yeah, but bro, like it's not, yo boys, like check me out. It's like, you know, let's get on our shit kind of thing. I don't know, man. That's how I take it. Like, you know, it's motivational. It's inspirational more than anything. In my opinion, anyway. In my opinion. But yeah, I mean, overall, man, Caspa, like, I wouldn't be surprised if it comes up and takes all that. Just depends on Bitcoin. Cardonsky is running. AVAX is running. Pepe is running. Whip it real hard. Whip it real hard. Let's check the 4-hour. Yeah, I mean, 4 hours looking... 4 hours looking pretty decent as well. Let's come on higher term time frames, because the higher term time frames have been what is seemingly running our narrative here lately. So yeah, I mean, we got thick money flow. We know the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. I stand by what I'm saying, guys. Whether, like, I do think that the top is near in terms of time. Not necessarily in terms of price, but in terms of time. And not the top forever. Okay? Not the top forever. But I do think we could make our way up to like 57. And, you know, go from there. Just teasing. I got you, bro. I got you. Gonna change your profile picture. You're human. Probably consider yourself more liberal than conservative. Hope you won't hold it against you. Only if you only if you don't hate on the people that that live in reality. You could be liberal, man. That's fine, but don't, like, just don't, like, my beef with them is like the delusion, you know? My beef is the delusion. Your dad long data again. The giveaway is gonna be a boot camp. Yeah, let's do the giveaway. Let's go ahead and do the giveaway. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. I get the flexing part. Not everyone sees it like that. Larger majority sees it as showing off, but the base they F people see it as, hey, look what I've achieved. Yeah, man. And so Crypto Sam, bro, like, I shouts out to Jay. I see this. Look, this is how I see it, man. Like, I think that we are stronger when we work together. You know, that's why in the Discord, for example, I'm like trying to build up other traders, and even forget even me trying to build up. I'm not any better than any of you, okay? But just having a team, just having people there with you, I think it's a good thing. It's more of a good thing. So I don't see it as showing off, you know? Like, let's just say one of my boys are winning. They're making a lot of money or whatever. Like, I'm not envious of them. I want success for the people that like around me. And I think having a circle of winners is a huge thing, man. I was talking to Jabs about it. Shouts out to Jabs about how, like, man, all I talk about is money and like just being successful and becoming high value. And I'm not interested in anything that isn't to do with that. You know, like my real life boys, listen, I love them to death, but like they send memes and stupid shit that like I just don't fuck with. Like, I don't care about this Family Guy clip. Like, guy, I'm turning 30 years old this year. I don't care about the cartoons. I don't care about the video games. No, I don't want to come play Fortnite. No, I don't want to do that. I want to get my ass in a Lamborghini. I want to change people's lives. I want to get as fit as I can, as healthy as I can. I want to be able to protect and provide for my family. You know, I just want to get it. That's where I'm at. Are Canadians even allowed to be conservatives? Conservative Canadians for the past year are like people that I've been trying to short for the past 6 months. Not working out too well. Geo the party pooper. Yeah, I guess. Hey, if me talking about a thing. If me talking about cartoon, or me not wanting to talk about cartoons makes me a party pooper, then yeah, I'm a party pooper. All right, guys, listen, everybody go to the video that I just posted. Drop any comment you want. Make sure you hit the like button and the emoji that you have to use in your comment. I don't care what you say, but it has to have a volleyball emoji. No, I know, I got you, Sigma. So guys, write anything you want for the giveaway. Anything you want, write it down. Anything you want, write it down, and we'll go from there. By the way, guys, I'll do the giveaway here in a couple minutes. Can you guys see well when the screen is wide like this? I'm gonna put an overlay on the bottom and on the top so it like looks nicer. But I have my whole, like, my ultra wide, and this is the actual ultra wide view. So can you guys like see things well? Because I can also do this. Like, I can make it way bigger. I just want to like start utilizing my entire screen. So let me know like how you guys see the screen right now. If it's good. People generally don't like the flex picks because it makes them feel bad about themselves. Yeah, Dice, I mean, I'm in the camp of like, you know, y'all are gonna cancel me for this, but like, bring back fat shaming, because like if you're really my friend, I want you to be honest with me. I don't want you to bullshit me and lie and say that I look good when I don't. You know? That's my opinion. Like, bring back fat shaming. Canadian conservatives are religious people. Here are 90%. I'm very religious. Marco, you are also a singer. Marco, the difference between you and I is that I am a wannabe singer, my friend. You are probably a real singer. I'm a wannabe singer. Love, I can't say that name. What am I thinking about him? I think anybody that doesn't like that individual, like, you need to reevaluate your life. I don't know how anyone doesn't like him. I really don't. Get it and lose it mean the knowledge. Sometimes I look very stoned. I don't do marijuana. I don't like it. And I get seizures from it. Yeah, man. Shouts out Jazz. Tyson says, I feel like I wasted the last year and a half studying because I'm still not profitable. It seems like I get it, then lose it. Oh, yeah. You mean trading? If I zoom in and make it bigger, it's all visible. So like right now it looks good because I can just do this, make it. It's way better for me to utilize the whole screen. Okay, cool. Yeah, this looks nice. I like this. I like it. The emoji is a volleyball emoji. For Spike Wave, get it? Come on now. For Spike Wave. How many likes are we at? Let's see. No, I don't do it, bro. I don't do it. I don't like it. I really don't like it. Okay, we are at 162 likes. Nice. Everyone wants to compliment you when you're doing good, but when you're gaining weight, no one says anything. Yeah, man. Like, I listen. I'm gonna kind of put my cousin on blast here a little bit, but it's okay. So check this out. This was my boy. This was my, like, this is, like, this guy's gonna be my best man if I ever get married, okay? Look at him, okay? Wait, hold on. Let me see if I can get... Like, look at this. Okay? Like, that's pretty wild. This is pretty wild, okay? And so... Like, hell yeah, we fat shamed him. Me and all my boys fat shamed him. And you know what's funny is he's my coach now. And he's like, yo, like, you're getting, like, you know, like, yo, Gio, you're getting fucking fat. Bro, like, that's, man, we gotta live in reality, guys. There's a certain aspect that you need to just live in reality. Anyways. Yes, in trading. Tyson, bro, I'll tell you this, man. I know what it's like to think you got it down and then you don't. And I would encourage you to just try to remain, what's the word? Try to remain like emotionless, because I think that when you're making a lot of money, the emotions can hit you pretty hard. So just try to remain emotionless is what I would say, because it's easy to think that you got it down doing one way. Like, for example, if you know how to, if you can catch cheat sheet entries, it's easy. But then if you try to do it like as a trend reversal or something else, it may be a little bit more difficult. Like, I know what it's like to think you know it and then you don't. Basically, try to remain emotionless, try to remain objective, try to like see things for longs and shorts, you know. That's kind of the best way that I can. I mean, that was not the best explanation, but great job to kicking his ass. Yeah, and now he looks good. Man, I say it all the time. Strong body, strong mind. Discipline in the gym equals discipline in the charts. Bro, when I remove duplicated comments, does it remove both or what? Because I usually comment after watching. No, it only removes one. It only makes it, it only does one. All right, let's take a look. So, real quick before we do the giveaway here. I mean, look, the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. I told you I shorted here. I told you I took profit here. I'm probably gonna, did it hit my stop loss? Yeah, stop loss at entry. Just hit the stop loss. I'm out, right? Are we gonna take the high again? Most like, I can't, nothing's 100%, but very likely, okay? Very, very likely. We'll probably hit the high before I'm even done this sentence, okay? Is this a valid short still? Yeah, it is, because we're in the short zone and we haven't hit here. But right now, I mean, this is not exactly how we want to be seeing market Cipher while we're coming up here. Well, we would have actually wanted to see it more like this, where we have mad green vector candles coming in and we have like red money flow. Like, this is how we would have preferred to see it. So yes, I shorted up here. Yes, I already took profit. Yes, I'm already stopped out at the entry. And yes, we're just chilling right now. But it does objectively look like it's going to come up higher. Maybe we're going to come up to that 54K zone. Maybe we're going to come up to that order block. I don't know, but we'll have to wait and see. We will wait and see. Even here, I mean, where's your divergences? This could have been a 1 2 3 tap if we had a 1 2 3, but we didn't. So where are your divs? The thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. Oh wait, but that guy says I don't know how to read it. Okay, all right, man. Hope y'all getting the reps in. 100%, bro. As soon as I get off stream here, I'm going to as soon as I get off stream here, I'm going to we're going to hit the gym, baby. Shit sucks sometimes. It's like starting all over again. Yeah, bro, I know what it's like, man. I know what it's like to think you got the game down and then you actually don't. I definitely know what it's like. We got sells coming in here. Let's check net longs, net shorts. Yeah, we got some sells coming in. We got some sells coming in. Let's check our we're actually getting we got a little bit of exhaustion here at the highs as well. Interesting. Little bit of exhaustion. Damn, it sucks that I got stopped out there for a little bit. That's okay, we'll just get back in if we need to. It's not the time though. Not the time. All right, guys, let's do the giveaway and then I'm gonna head out. Even though we're going through it and it makes you feel. All right, well, we're gonna have a little bit of fun. Yeah, EXO is helping out quite a bit, actually. It's doing really well for me. I like it. I really like it. All right, we're gonna do a little bit of fun. I like this playlist that I had on today. Let me just say that. So I'm gonna save it. Hopefully this whole stream doesn't get copyrighted. But we will make a little bit of noise today because we had some intimate talks there. But here's what we're gonna do, guys. Listen. And especially shouts out to my guy. I know what it's like, man, to think you got the game down and then you don't. So if I can help out with some boot camps, I am glad to do so. So even if you don't have hopes in yourself, I have high hopes in you. Let's get some bread. I'm making 10K this week. I don't care. High hopes for... My goal is to make $10,000 this week. I've never had a 5-digit trade. I really want to. All right, friendos. Mama said... We wanted everything. We wanted everything. Mama said... We wanted everything. We wanted everything. Mama said... All right, guys, the winner of the bootcamp giveaway is... Why is this not working? Because I have high hopes for a living, shooting for the stars. There you go. Reddit ESP94. Reddit Espanol. Congratulations, my friend. Hopefully you know the drill by now. Head over to the video. Make sure you take a screenshot here. Make sure the video is liked. Let us open up a ticket in the Discord and let us know which one you're looking for. Guys, Bitcoin's getting its pump on. We had a little bit of more of a chill stream today. I know, bro. I know I need to make these I know I need to make this 10K a week. That would be sick, bro. That would be so fire. I've never had a 5-digit trade. Wait, is he not here? Is this guy not here? Let me check when this comment. When was this comment made? Hold on, maybe he is not here. If he's not here, we're gonna run it again. No, he's here, bro. 10 minutes ago. Congratulations, my friend. You know the drill. You know what to do. Open up a ticket. Let us know which one you want. My friends, today was a different stream. Maybe I'll do more chill streams. I want to start doing scalping streams. No divergence on Bybit, but price did diverge on your exchange. Yeah, that's a hard part about trading, man. You gotta balance out. You gotta balance out your like your different thing, your different exchanges. Well, I don't know what exchange you're on. Like if Mexi did not diverge, but Bybit did, I would go with Bybit. It's okay, man. He typed volleyball. Guys, it's okay, man. He typed it. It's fine. It's fine. You've had 5 one-digit trades. You guys like it more chill, huh? I've been trying to call. I've been on my own for long enough. Man, honestly, more chill is better for my throat. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that for free. Shouts out Halls. Guys, that's gonna be it for me today. I'll catch you guys in the Discord. The link is in the description down below. Shouts out to my VIP members. I will keep you guys updated with the trades. Shouts out to Market Cipher. If you guys are looking for an exchange to trade on, Mexi Global. Cheapest on fee, 0.01%. Taker fee, 0% maker fee. If you don't know what that means, you shouldn't be trading out loud. You shouldn't be trading. You like the loud and chill Geo? We'll split it up then. We'll go half and half. If you guys don't know what that means, you shouldn't be trading. But if you do know what that means, then you know that it's the cheapest on fees. And guys, 20% off discount code. I sound fed up. No, man, I'm good, bro. I'm good, man. I'm good. You know what? I'll tell you. Like, I had full intention on coming in today loud and proud and whatever. But I was like, yo, we're in the short zone. Like, I gotta lock in right now. You know, I gotta lock in. Like, that was the logic. Like, I gotta lock in. And then with the whole notion of I gotta lock in, you know, it was just a nice reminder. I did take the short, yeah. It was just a nice reminder that, like, people are, as CryptoFace says, pencil necks. You know? So I had to kind of get my edge sorted out a bit. That sounded gay. Anyways, Jab says W streams. If the moderators are happy, I'm happy. Guys, in the VIP, I want to make $10,000 this week. I've never had a 10K trade, and I'm going to try. So we will all do it together, hopefully. I will see you guys tomorrow, perhaps. I think I'm going to focus a little bit more on posting videos, but we'll see how it goes. I will see you guys. Loud Geo equals not locked in. Bro, you know how many trades I miss? Dude, listen, every single trade that I miss on YouTube, I come in the mods chat after, and I'm like screaming. I'm so mad. Like, I'm not locked in when I'm streaming. Like, I need to hit these trades, man. I need to hit these trades. Imbalance settings. To be honest with you, this template is copied from I just changed the colors, but this template is from Jay. So let's see if I can. I don't even know how to check the settings for it. Cluster mode. Here are my settings. Oh, here, imbalance. There you go. On screen for you. Here, I'll blow it up. Anyways, friendos, I'll have more information on EXO for you soon. I'll have more information on my indicator for you soon. And I will catch you guys tomorrow. That's curtains. Set my heart